What's up guys? Today we're giving my 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee a whole new modern look. All thanks to Anzo USA. Now, I'm all about function over form when it comes to this Jeep, but I gotta admit, I've been pondering this upgrade for quite some time now. And when the opportunity to partner with Anzo USA comes up, there was no way I'd pass up the chance to transform the look of this beast. So this is actually something I've been considering doing for some time now. And when the opportunity to work with Anzo came up, I couldn't pass it up. So in here, we have two headlights. So right here are both of the headlights. Then I actually have one other box with two taillight assemblies as well. So if we open these up here, looks like some protective cardboard, bubble wrap. Those look really nice. I like that. I've always loved kind of this LED strip on these new modern headlights. That LED daytime running light has always just looked so cool to me. So I'm really excited to see what this is going to look like on the Jeep. Probably going to have a pretty big transformation compared to what it is right now. I think this is really going to change how it looks entirely. Looks like we have low beam, high beam. I think this is the DRL. Then probably turn signal in here. Should be a pretty straightforward install. Just pop out the original housings, pop these ones in, plug in all of the bulbs, all the connectors, and basically as easy as that. Also, you can see I did the black housing with the clear lens. I'm not a big fan of smoked lenses, so I actually did the same thing with the taillights too. I don't like everything too blacked out. I feel like that also just kind of hinders the light performance as well. So I did blacked out on the inside just to give it more of an aggressive look. But I did clear housings on both headlights and taillights. So let's go ahead and see what those taillights look like. So right here I have the taillight box. I've already ripped into this one to check them. They're both in one box, so I didn't cut them open. These are actually packaged super nicely. I like all the foam that they put in here just to kind of keep everything separated and stop from clunking around. And shipping, everything's nicely wrapped. I have not actually opened the lights yet, so let's go ahead and rip into one of these and actually see what they look like. That's nice. They came with an all new bracket to screw on. I guess maybe all lights come like that, but the ones I have on my stock lights right now, this piece actually broke off and I just run the screws through it and that's what holds it in, but it's not actually attached to the light anymore. Once you unscrew it, this piece just falls off. But yeah, these are super easy. One plug and you're done. Two screws, comes in and out. Oh, I love the look of that. These are sweet. It's all LED aside from kind of your factory running lights right here. But then also you can see I did black housings, clear lens. I kind of like keeping all this exposed. And then also just to kind of keep in line with how the headlights look, I really like just the one continuous line that goes around. There's another style you can get that's basically like a 3 on one side and an E on the other side. You can kind of look at it like that, to where it has an extra middle strip right here that adds into this daytime running light. And I personally like just the one continuous line. I feel like it flows better with the headlights, and then also kind of just follows the body line rather than having that extra line right here. And personally, I feel like it kind of just flows a lot better as more of a matching set, having this one continuous line that wraps around on both front and back lights. But yeah, I'm super pumped. Now that we've taken a look at the new lights from Anzo, let's go ahead and take a look at what the factory lights look like, look at the condition of those. We'll do some before and afters, and let's get going. So looking at the factory lights, you can see there is a ton of shiny chrome inside of these. And this one over here, it's definitely not as bad as some lights, but I'm not sure how well you can tell, but it's actually pretty cloudy looking at this one compared to this one. So this one's actually not in bad condition. So we'll just go based off from even the best light right here compared to the new ones. But I really like the new blacked out look that we're gonna have. And then it really is just gonna make it a whole much more modern look compared to this. So many new cars have that daytime running light strip that goes around the light, and I feel like it's really going to transform how this looks, especially having black housings. I remember back when I put on my COLIGHT lights up here on the front, and just switching to a more blacked out light, that already transformed the front end. So having full headlight and tail light housings, I think it's really going to change how this thing looks. So luckily these bulbs are cheap, because while I was working on getting them out, I checked all the bulbs before I put the new housings in, and I had this bulb out and this bulb out on both sides. Well, this one worked on this side, but not on this side. And then this one worked on this side, but not on this side. So I just got new bulbs replaced, brand new bulbs here and here, but I'm dumb, and I forgot that for this with the daytime running lights on, I forgot that for these lights, the daytime running light is just this connector. So this goes in place of the light to run that light strip that's in there. So I basically just replaced the bulb for nothing, because this goes in place of the bulb. But I guess now I at least have some extra bulbs if I need it later. Alright, moving on to the taillights. Here's probably one of my biggest annoyances with this Jeep. If you look closely, this driver's side light looks completely normal, and it is. But come to the passenger side, and here's where there's a problem. This light had been replaced before I bought this Jeep, and everything is wrong with it. What's supposed to be red is orange. The housing rattles, it's currently full of condensation, and it's constantly going out. Let's finally change that. Alright guys, I just have to say, if you are ever debating getting these lights, just do it. These things are so cool. I think they transformed the look of this Jeep so much. It just looks so much more modern, and the black housings with the LED daytime running light, it looks super aggressive. I hope you guys agree because I think it looks sick. I'm pumped that I got them. Huge shout out to Anzo USA for hooking me up with these lights. Huge thank you to you guys. You guys made a great product, and I'm super stoked to keep using these for so many years to come. So much better than the factory headlights in every single way. Alright guys, well, I think that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It should be a pretty quick one. Super easy install. Basically just pull out factory lights, plug in the new ones, and pop them all back into place. Super quick and easy. I highly recommend this upgrade if you are even considering it. These lights are very well made. They look awesome. I really think these things are gonna last, but you will definitely be seeing more of these on the channel. We have a potential off-road trip coming up next weekend, so look forward to another video about that. Maybe doing an overnight camping trip. But again, huge shout out to Anzo USA for sending these out. The headlights and the taillights are both from them. They are super awesome. I'm super stoked that I have them on here. And I know this did change a bit of that OEM plus kind of look, but let me know in the comments what you guys think of this. I think it really transformed this thing for the better. It is such an aggressive look. I think it fits the build perfectly. It looks awesome in my opinion. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Ooh, stickers. I think I know where to put that.